Am I making sense tonight? I love you. I hope you can feel the love pouring out of me. I want my baby girl to listen to this stuff. Now she should be doing ice baths. And trust me, you'll see that. The people in Denmark, the Danes, will leave their babies outside of an evening in the middle of winter at -degrees temperatures because it's good for their immune systems. A 2-minute ice bath gives you better cardiovascular health than an hour worth of running. If you want to lose weight, this is the fastest way to lose weight. If you want to clean your heart and your brain, we get something that's called glymphatic washout of the brain when we have cold exposure. If we go 2 minutes of cold exposure, whether it's a cold bath, cold shower, an ice bath, jump in the ocean, whatever it is, 2 minutes, we'll start to clean out the brain of junk, because all of the vascular system of the body, we have over 200,000 kilometers of vascular system in our body. So if we took out all of the veins and capillaries and arteries in my body, then it would go 200,000 kilometers vascular system. And we have trillions of little muscles around our vascular system, which are only activated when we go into cold. Does that make sense? I hope everybody's taking notes. This is super important stuff. And so when we go in the cold, all of those little muscles exercise. And we don't get that when we run. We get other benefits when we run, but we don't get all of this stuff when we run. And so when we go into the cold and we get this activation, what it does is it pushes all of the blood up into the brain. So the brain goes, hey, I'm the most important thing here. Give me all of the energy. And so we get this glymphatic washout. And that cleans the brain, but it cleans your psychology and your thoughts as well. Does it make sense?